My name is Sammy Daigle. I'm the office manager here at Fabex Incorporated. We are a custom ASME pressure vessel manufacturer in Zachary, Louisiana. Here at Fabex, we build process containment equipment and large pressure vessels for the petroleum and energy sector. So that has been the family business, I guess, now for 36 years and going strong. Hope to be here for another 36 years, which is the reason why we bought the building from Gary. When it came time for us to actually start looking for a building, we were, of course, searching around, looking. The budget that we had, I was actually looking more towards used buildings than new buildings. And then by chance really happened upon Rose and got the information for Rose Office Systems and contacted Gary about it. And as fate would have it, he was in Louisiana, so showed up the next week with a full brochure, and we started discussing the building. And immediately I was really impressed with the numbers, that being our main driving force. Was kind of taken aback by what he was offering for the cost. It was really fantastic deal. I had already made some comparisons to some used buildings that I was looking at, and between the cost of a used building and the cost to get it here and get it set up, as opposed to what Gary was offering for a new, completely custom designed building, it was incredible. So really, once the numbers hit the paper, it was no guess as to which direction we were going to go in. Worked with Beth exclusively on trying to redesign the inside of the building to accommodate what our needs were. We changed it up a little bit from the basic floor plan and really tailored it to what exactly we needed in the office. So again, that was a benefit that that's included in the cost. When they sell you a building, they sell you the option of customization, not only in the materials that you use for a finishing product, but complete customization. I mean, we took out offices, we moved walls, we flip-flopped floor plans. We pretty much, made this thing a custom building to what we needed it for, which was really great. The building is really well constructed. We have, it came in two separate pieces. They brought it in, made it on site, and seamed it up to where you can't even tell it's two buildings. But before they did that, when it just arrived on our site, I kind of took the time to kind of crawl around on it and take a look, and was really impressed with the construction. It's very well made, very well insulated. We have to stop and pause and look out the window to see if it's raining, where we used to be able to know from the tin building immediately when it would start to rain. These buildings are extremely well insulated and handle the weather really well. When we placed the order, it was beginning of November, like the first few days of November. And once again was completely surprised at how quick we were able to get our building. We had the building on site before the end of the year. Very professionally done, very professionally handled throughout the entire process, from sitting down, from conceptualization to try to figure out, how we wanted the office to work, what the office was going to be used for, to actually designing the office, to getting it here and getting it installed on site. It was a very easy process. They made it very easy, answered all the questions, and we really had no hang-ups whatsoever. It was a fantastic experience.